Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You know that on January 10th, 2025, Senator John Azuta-Mbata from Rivers State emerged the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. And it has now been found out that he was the candidate of the Southeast governors. This came to the fore again when Azuta-Mbata paid courtesy call to the governor of Abia State, Dr. Lexoti, to thank him for his support. And in the speech by the governor of Abia State, it became clear that Azuta-Mbata was the candidate of the establishment, which now begs the question, what should be the true process of selecting who emerges as the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo? Should the governors continue to play a role in this, or should there be a mechanism in which Ndigbo as a whole can be able to be voting for who emerges the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo? After all, Ohanaeze Ndigbo claims to represent all Igbos of various opinions and shades. So why is it that during the election of Ohanaeze Ndigbo president, only select few take that decision? Why shouldn't we have a re-democratization of the election of Igbo President General? Don't forget that the democracy we have today in the world, Igbos have been one of the most democratic people in the world. The ancient Greek democracy had been in Africa, courtesy of the Igbo tradition of selection process when it comes to leadership. Oh, you know why I say this? I know that between Azuta-Mbata and Barrister Uche Okwukwu, by far would have made a better President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. I know that Azuta-Mbata has not, he just started, but I don't see him going to do anything extraordinary. He's not going to do anything. In fact, he might even perform below bar compared to Iwanyanwu, especially. Because the other Obiozo, I didn't see what he was able to perform. I know Obiozo was a candidate of Governor Hope Uzodinma. Okay, he didn't, I didn't see anything, any tangible thing he did as President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo before he died. But I could see the vigor, the intensity of effort that late Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, who took over from Obiozo, was able to make in Ohanaeze leadership. Azuta-Mbata, that is there now, had been in politics, is a politician, and now he is the candidate of the establishment, Southeast governors. Fine and good. But there is a need to have re-democratization of the process so that Igbos from anywhere can vote electronically on who emerges the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, so that when the person is speaking, Igbos voting at home and in diaspora can say, yes, that is the one we put there. And I can tell you for free from my understanding of the feelings of the average Igbos on the street, at home and in diaspora, if that election was done by the generality of the people, I can tell you for free, I believe that Barrister Uche Okwukwu, who is from Ikwere local government of Rivers State, he would have beaten Azuta-Mbata hands down. So my suggestion is that going forward, there should be a need. I will try and speak with some of the elders in Ohanaeze Ndigbo that I have access to, the need for them to amend the constitution so that people can actually participate in the election process, so that the election of President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo will not be left to govern us because they have access to money to be able to influence its outcome. Because if not for that, I don't think that John Azuta-Mbata would have emerged. Okay, because even before the election, I never considered him. Okay, I never considered him that he would be a potential candidate. Okay, but from what Governor Okwukwu said, he said when he showed interest, then I said, okay, if Azuta-Mbata can show interest, let us go with him. Okay, but his showing interest doesn't mean that he was the best candidate, as far as I can see. The best candidate for that election, as far as I could see, was Barrister Uche Okwukwu. Of course, he didn't get it. We have to make do with what we have. But what I'm saying is, going forward, there's a need to democratize the process of electing the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, so that people can participate in this era of technology, innovation. There are ways, processes that can make people to participate. Ohanaeze can develop an app that if you're an Igbo person, you are interested in an Ohanaeze election, you download the app, and in that app you are downloading, you're also making contribution to Ohanaeze, and you then have the power or the right to vote, so that during the election you can vote wherever you are around the world if you are interested in Ohanaeze, and especially in the Igbo interest. At that period, you can participate, so that when that kind of democratization is in place, then it will be possible for somebody who, for a populist like Barrister Uche Okwukwu to easily win an election, because people can be able to identify him, what he has done for Ndigbo. Like Barrister Okwukwu has done so much for Ndigbo, right from serving as Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, right from working with Ojukwu, working with Mosop, has been somebody who has been proud of his ancestry. But look at what happened. Because he didn't have the support of the governors, he was not able to emerge as the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So that is aspect need to stop. There had to be a democratization, so that democratization of the process of Ohanaeze, so that people like Okwukwu will be able to come out and represent Ndigbo without being hindered because they don't have the resources that governors bring on board to back their candidates. That's what I think. I don't know what to think about this. What is your position on this issue that there is a need to democratize the process of electing the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.